Alright everybody, this is Andaleeb and today is 11th of August and the time is little close to 7 of the evening, and I smiled when I said today is 11th of August because today is someone's birthday. Yeah, I think I should cut this part, alright. Yeah, I think I should cut this part. Yeah, no, I think I can continue with this, okay. So today is 11th of August and I do not have a topic to talk about, alright. Today was a rather busy day because one of my batchmate, I am from the 2022 batch, and that batchmate, he was preparing for NEET. When we took the admission, we were attending our classes. That batchmate was studying for NEET and he did not attend any class. Therefore, he got pushed back, he got detained. Therefore, he is now studying with 2024 batch. But he is my friend, he is our friend. He is still of 2022 batch, but he has to do the classes with 2024 batch. So his result came out last night and he was passed. He passed the exam, he got passed, and we were very happy and he was very happy. And therefore we decided that we should squeeze a little party from him. Therefore, when we came from class this afternoon, we nudged him, we pushed him to give us some party, and therefore he took us to give us some treat. And when we were coming back from that treat, I had to go to get our books, because the books of the final prof of BAMS is costing almost 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, and we think it is really stupid to spend this amount of money on the books for BAMS. That is why I thought it will be good if I could just print them. I could just get a print out of them and just I would have them bind by spirals, and I would just study from that printout. Therefore I did it, and it was like it cut 1/3 of the cost. It cost me around 2,500 rupees. So therefore, it is a reasonable deal. On the one hand, I had to pay 8,000 rupees, but on the other hand, I just got finished with just 2,500 rupees. So I think I got a better deal, but I did not get new books. I just got a print out of that books and I just spirally binded them. So yeah, it is just all about the mindset. I just did not like spending money on the books, especially for BAMS. That is why I just got a print out of them. Yeah, so after that I went to get a print out of those books, and I got those books to my room. And after that I started finding some topics. The topic on which I can make a video of today, but I could not find any. I did not know what has happened to the politics of our country. I could not find any topic, I could not find any news of which I can talk about in my video today. So that is why I just thought I'm just gonna sit here on my terrace, I'm just gonna open my camera and I'm just gonna talk about my day. And if anything comes to my mind, I'm gonna talk about it. But so far, nothing has come to my mind, so I do not know what I'm gonna do in this video, okay? It is just 3.5 minutes, so I still have 6.5 minutes to go, because I think 10 minutes video is good. Anything I do below 10 minutes, I think it is bad. That is why I just want to push above 10 minutes, and I do not know what I'm gonna do for 6 minutes now. So yesterday I made a video, I talked about that Jharkhand protest which is taking place in Jharkhand. The students are protesting against alleged irregularities in this JPSC and JSC CCGL exam, and they were saying that the exams should be scrapped. The CBI should should inquire about the irregularities in these organizations, in these authorities, and there should be uniform reforms in the education sector, in the educational institutions in Jharkhand. For these demands they are protesting for about 2 weeks, and some of the people have also gone on a hunger strike. And the protest was at its peak yesterday, because these protesters, they said that they are going to seize the Jharkhand State Assembly, and they were trying to reach there, but they could not do it because of the police lathi charged them, and they also fired water cannons and tear gases on them, similar to what happened to the CJP protesters during the protest of 20th of July. So this is what has happened, okay? And this is what happens, okay? Police does not know what to do, okay? the directives that they will get from their higher ups, they will just execute them, and these are that just do not let them get to the state assembly, and do not let them get to the parliament. These are the directives that the police get. Police, it is a plural subject. In some countries it is considered a plural subject. In our country it is considered a singular. I don't know, because people say police is investigating the case, but the correct sentence is police are investigating the case. So police get whatever directives the police get, they just execute them, and most of the time the directives they get is that do not let these protesters come anywhere near the state assembly or near the parliament. Okay, so they just do it. They lathi charge them, they fire tear gases at them, they fire water cannons at them, and the opposition parties, they create a ruckus that this is what is happening with the students of our country, with the youth of our country. And when these opposition parties will be in the government, they will do the same thing. Okay, so this is like, this is just the thing, this is the norm, this is how this country deals with the protesters, no matter which party is in power. Okay, whenever a protest is taking place and the protesters are marching towards the house of the prime minister, the house of the CM, the state assembly, the parliament, the police will do the same thing, no matter which party is in the power. Okay, yeah. And other than that, I saw this video that there is a new song about E20 petrol, ethanol blended petrol. There is a new song, someone has made a song, and I saw that song on Twitter last night, but I did not hear the song. And I don't know, I remember that Nitin Gadkari, he took some kind of approval from a court, I think in Maharashtra, that would allow him to file defamation cases against people who are making fun of him for E20 petrol, who are linking his family and the benefits of E20 petrol, the financial benefits of the E20 petrol, the people who are trolling him and making memes of Nitin Gadkari on E20 petrol. So I think he is going to file the case against the person who has made this song, this ethanol 20 song. I was thinking about this, that he is going to file the case now. I did not see that video, I did not remember the lyrics of it. I just saw about 5 seconds of it, therefore I cannot say is this song great or not, because I have not heard this song. So yeah, 2.5 minutes 7:30. Okay, so what should we talk about now? What do you want to talk about? And I don't know what has happened to me. It's been about 20 days since I have got a follower, since I have got a subscriber. The last subscriber that I got was about 20 days back, and I am not getting that much views. Ooh, and this is my second week, this is my second month of posting the videos here. I started posting the videos during January, but I just started posting shorts, and in July, this is my second turn in this YouTube channel, and in July I said that I should lock in. I said to myself that I should lock in, and I'm gonna post long format videos. And since then I have been posting these videos, and I just gave myself 6 months of time. Okay, I am gonna turn my life around in 6 months. I am gonna turn this YouTube channel into something big in 6 months. So up to December I have the time, and August is the second month, and I'm not going to stop at December. Okay, if I will not be able to make this YouTube channel into something big, I'm just gonna continue. What else can I do? Okay, I do not have any other thing to do. And I have seen a little bit of improvement, because in January I could not speak for just about a minute in front of the camera, but now I can easily speak for 10 minutes. I make mistakes, I agree with this. I make grammatical errors, I mispronounce words, I take a long pauses sometimes, but still I think my English has gotten better. So yeah, I'm learning. Okay, I'm better today than I was yesterday. Massive cope that I'm doing. So yeah, I do not know what else I should talk about. The Congress party, they have been demanding a statement of Amit Shah on the police brutality on 20th of July on the protesters of the CJP. And Amit Shah so far had not come to the parliament, but Amit Shah so far has not come to the parliament. But yesterday Kiren Rijiju has said that Amit Shah is ready to come to the parliament, but the opposition party should not create a chaos in the parliament when he is speaking. Okay, You want Amit Shah to make a statement in the parliament? He's ready. He's going to make a statement in the parliament. But you guys have to listen, all right? You cannot just create a ruckus and chaos in the parliament and expect him to make a statement. So the Congress party backfired. They said that we are not here to listen to the speech of Amit Shah. We just want him to make a statement about the alleged excesses of the Delhi police on the protest on 20th of July. So yeah, this is it. And I think the only 2 days of this parliamentary session have remained, and I do not think that he is going to make a statement now. Only 2 days have remained. Today, 13th August is the final day of the parliament session of this monsoon, and I think Amit Shah is not going to make a statement now, and he has passed this whole session of the parliament without making a single appearance in the parliament. And these guys used to make fun of Rahul Gandhi that he does not attend parliament. And what is Amit Shah doing? Okay, what is Narendra Modi is doing? These guys are also absent from the parliament. Yeah. So what else should I do? I don't know. What should I do? Okay. So I think I should just stop, because I do not have any other topic to talk about. I did not have a single topic to talk about. I just, talked about these stupid things. I just incoherently rambled in front of you guys. So yeah, this was all from me, guys. Okay, this is Andaleep signing off, and I shampooed and conditioned my hairs today. They are feeling really fine. They are looking good. So this is Andaleep signing off. It was really nice talking to you guys. Bye bye. Have a great rest of your evening.